My friends, welcome to my 203D CAD models in FreeCAD series. Today I want to work on exercise 193. I will be using FreeCAD 0.22 developers version. Today I have the most recent one that came out on 15th of this month. And going back to what I'll be doing, 193 looks familiar, and then I look back. 185 was an awfully similar object that we did last week. So let's open that up. Let's take a look at these two side by side and see where the big difference is. So here is this one and here is this one. The big difference is this is 185. This middle section, the support of the slotted area, is a plain blocky rectangular with some middle gap in there, and 193 has the same object. There is no fillet on here, and then this middle support is like a carved block, no chunk of material taken out in the middle. So between these two there is this fillet and then middle section. I think I can easily manipulate or update 185 to build as 193. So let's go ahead, save 185 as 193, and then we can hide this or even delete that, it's not relevant, and rename this to 193 and bring in, actually I don't want to bring in 193 image. I want to keep it open because I don't want to calibrate it and then do all this stuff. All I know is that this fillet will be gone and this total width is 30. So in this fillet, let's go back to see if we did any filleting. We did not. So maybe this will be that one. Yes. So we go back to that cross section. The total is 30. You can see that. What I need to do is I need to delete these two, and then let's see if it is free. It is free. And then bring this in, make them coincident. Do the same thing for here. Okay, so delete that dimension, right, and make these two coincident, and then make these symmetric there. So maybe I did not have to do that to begin with, that embedding the fillet in there. I did not have to do any of this had I built this cross section like that in 183 and then did that as a filleting. But all right, that one part is done, right? And then we have so many extrudes. I'm going to say this is that one. All right, we'll have to update this part as well. So that is going to be this sketch. All right, there it is. That is our new sketch. So we did update the old one just to fill this curved area and then took out the middle part, and then that should actually be reflected in there just like our technical drawing. And folks, that is our 193. Very easy to build. Let's make sure we have. All right, so there is one more thing. This total length is 25, so we will have to go make this sketch 25, not 35. Okay, now that we have two different versions of almost the same model, what it feels like. So there is 185 was this, 185 was this, and then 193 is this. The basic difference is this curved profile and also this load carrying system. And we could actually see if the change in the shape does make any difference in FEM. So well, we could do that. I'm not going to do it. But here's what I feel like. This would be a lot more load resisting than this one. This 193, it will have, so let's say we are having vertical load coming down through this channel, and this contraption will have less ultimate strength compared to this one because of the support structure. Everything else remains the same. This supporting structure will stiffen this model compared to the 193. Anyway folks, hopefully you enjoyed this process, and thank you for watching. I will see you in one of my next videos then.